well use a buck. You playing, man?
Yeah.
Huh? You playing?
I gotta go to my gig. You wanna hear something?
No, man. I just, if you're wrapping up, no. Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
Right on. Let's see. Let me get over here. Get the light right. Hang on. Let me make a change here. Okay, right on. Oh, okay, he's gonna pull out. There we go. Right on. Well, if you're gonna play, man, this is gonna go on YouTube. I'll give you the address. You go check it out here then.
All right.
You're gonna entertain me, heck yeah. Okay guys, so we're getting started today. It's been a while since I've been downtown Indianapolis, so kind of excited to get back out here and make some things happen. So before we get started, as you can see, I've got my JJC thumb grip going here. This thing, very invaluable. The link is in the description below. I've also got my GA1 coupler, and that kind of keeps the lens protected. I've also got the 49mm UV filter on there, and that protects the lens, should prevent any dust, anything like that. My settings are 1/400th of a second, f9. We're at ISO auto, but our max is 3200. I'm on snap focus, and let's see what we can get here. There we go. We're gonna point this way for you guys. Have to go with the way the people are coming at you. Well, this is kind of a, let's see if I can get a reflection shot in it. Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. This is going to play the clock tower right there. How you guys doing?
You think we'll have to do something to the
we got activity, people cleaning up. How you doing, man?
Good, sir. How about yourself?
Oh, doing fine, right on.
Right.
Good to see people cleaning, man.
Good, thank you, bro. I love it. It's great.
I bet. There's a lot to clean down here, but you guys are doing a great job.
Thanks, brother. Thank you. You have the rest of your day?
Oh yeah. I like to come downtown, take pictures, you know, see what's going on. It was interesting a few months ago.
It's getting ready to get back into
It's getting better. We're getting back.
Yes, sir.
This guy gonna go? Excuse me, sir. Can I get your picture?
Sure.
You look real cool like that. There's a guy in Cincinnati that was working for the T-Mobile store. He had all his pink stuff on. It was really cool. So let me get a shot here. I just walk around and do street photography. Yeah, there you go. Either way, it's just kind of casual. Oh, I don't have good light there. Let me go back over here.
How long have you been doing
Excellent. Just a couple years. Well, actually, I've been a photographer a long time, but only the street thing, maybe a year, something like that.
Yeah,
you know?
blog or no? Or
Yeah, actually, it's here. All the. Oh, okay. If you want to look it up on YouTube, it'll be a YouTube video,
okay.
and it's DozierGraphic. D-O-Z-I-E-R. We get kind of a cool shot here. It should be on there as a YouTube channel.
What's up, man?
How are you?
This guy's
How you doing, man?
He just walks around in cities.
Cool. Here we go. Let's get both of you here, man. It's just great to see the city coming back to life again, you know.
Yeah.
Did you find it?
A little bit at a time.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah, DozierGraphic.
I can't find it.
You can't find it? They may have banned me. You never know, man.
Is it one word or two?
One word.
Let me try that.
DOZIER, then G.
642 subs?
There we go. 643 now, right? 44?
Yes, sir. You got more than me.
There we go. Awesome, guys. So you'll certainly be in the next video then. I would imagine in a couple days, something like that.
Cool.
So there we go. Wait a minute, man. I didn't get the hair. There we go. Right on. Okay, you guys have a good one, man. Take care. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Got good sunlight going. How you doing, man?
You have to like get another window to close it. You know, add something.
Our cleanup man again. There we go.
Right.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Keep it up.
What website can I see that on?
What's that?
What website can I see that on?
You got something to write with, or your phone or anything on you?
Yeah, I got my phone.
Yeah.
So I'll make sure, and now that I'm giving it to you, I got to get you in there. Thanks a lot, man. Have a good one. Keep up the good work, buddy. I'm trying to cut these people off at the pass here. See if I can get them. Boom. How you doing? He's going to get the guy on the bike. How you doing, man? Okay, these people up here, target number.
So, and he's like, yeah,
They just opened the restaurants back up in Marion County today for people to eat inside, so that's why I was hoping there'd be more folks downtown, which there are, so it's all good. Getting back to normal. Here we go. Let's see. Trying to work with the light here. Just nice to be out walking around in the sunshine. Very hot for September. We're back up into the 90s. Oh, that's so cool. Red's Barbershop. That's cool. Let's see if we can get these people here. Oh, they moved the sign here. Oh, might as well use a buck. You playing, man?
Yeah.
Huh? You playing?
I gotta go to my gig. You wanna hear something?
No, man. If you're wrapping up, no. Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
Right on. Let's see. Let me get over here. Get the light right. Hang on. Let me make a change here. Okay, right on. Oh, okay. He's gonna pull out. There we go. Right on. Well, if you're gonna play, man, this is gonna go on YouTube. I'll give you the address. You go check it out here then.
All right.
You're gonna entertain me, heck yeah. That deserves at least another $1, man. Right on, right on. Excellent, excellent. That'll be good for my video. All right, take care, buddy.